Hi, Right Writers with Cruz. It's Cruz here. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are going to be looking at rhyme scheme. So rhyme scheme, and I'll just sort of write that up here. We're looking specifically at end rhyme scheme. And it's not something we can so much, we can write about it if we were writing a longer paper, but this is really just more to show you the technique on how to identify it and how to make sure that you're identifying the end rhyme scheme correctly. And I chose this poem by Darren Sardelli called My Doggy Ate My Essay. One of the reasons I love this poem is because first, it's a great poem, but it's also longer than a typical poem that you might see being used for rhyme scheme. And so that's why I prefer to use it with students. So end rhyme scheme is what we're going to be using this poem for. And primarily not so much for writing, but just to be able to practice what rhyme scheme looks like and how to, again, identify it properly in poetry. So I'm going to go ahead and clear this. So just keeping, again, the purpose, this is a poem that we're reading, but the purpose of this video is really to help you identify end rhyme scheme. So by the end of this video, and maybe watching it a few times, you will feel more comfortable with end rhyme scheme. Okay, so first thing we want to do is we want to read Darren Sardelli's poem from beginning to end, and then we'll start to identify what we are seeing. And when we're using end rhyme scheme, we want to use the alphabet. So all the way from A through Z. And just keep that in mind that we will be using A through Z. And when we're thinking about end rhyme scheme, and so just think alphabet A to Z, A to Z. Okay, let's take a look. My Doggy Ate My Essay by Darren Sardelli. My doggy ate my essay. He picked up all my mail. He cleaned my dirty closet and dusted with his tail. He straightened out my posters and swept my wooden floor. My parents almost fainted when he fixed my bedroom door. I did not try to stop him. He made my windows shine. My room looks like a palace, and my dresser smelled like pine. He fluffed up every pillow. He folded all my clothes. He even cleaned my fish tank with a toothbrush and a hose. I thought it was amazing to see him use a broom. I'm glad he ate my essay on how to clean my room. So awesome poem, just so beautiful and playful, lovely by Darren Sardelli. And so what we're going to be looking at again is end rhyme scheme. So when you start with end rhyme scheme, you want to look basically at the last words in each line of the poem. So if we think about it, this is line 1, this is line 2, line 3, line 4. This is also a stanza in a poem. So I have other videos connected with that discussion. And so I'm going to underline the ending words, the last word of each line. And this is going to help us identify what the end rhyme scheme is. So this scheme sounds like a really fancy word, and it's just basically identifying the pattern of something. So when you think of scheme, think of the word pattern, how the pattern of the poem is. So I've underlined all the ending words in each line. So now when you begin end rhyme scheme, what you want to begin with is the letter A because it's the first letter of the alphabet. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use a different color. And I'm going to, my first word is essay. So essay automatically gets the letter A. And so what I want to look for is to see if any of these ending words, these words that I underlined, rhyme with essay. So essay, mail, closet, tail. Do any of these words rhyme with essay? No, they do not. And if I go down, I can look at posters, floor, fainted, door. Do any of these words rhyme with essay? No, they don't. And then I've got hymn, shine, palace, pine. Do any of those words rhyme with essay? They do not. Then I keep going. Pillow, clothes, tank, and hose. Do any of those rhyme with essay? No, they don't. So it's still at the letter A there. But then I scroll down and then I see amazing broom, essay, room. Well, you could argue, well, Cruz, essay is being used again, but essay and essay do rhyme. So I'm going to go ahead and put that A down there. So because essay and essay, same word, they rhyme. So I'm going to keep that with the letter A, and then I'm going to move on. So now I now look at the next word. Because it's a new line and a new word, I need to start with the letter B. Mail does not rhyme with essay, so I'm going to give it the next letter in the alphabet, which would be the letter B. And so now I'm looking to see if any words rhyme with mail. If they do, then they also get the letter B. Does closet rhyme with mail? No. Does tail rhyme with mail? Yes. So I'm going to also give it the letter B. But I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to check the rest of the poem to see if there are any words, ending words that rhyme with mail and tail. So posters, floor, fainted, door. None of those rhyme with mail and tail. So I'm going to continue. Hymn, shine, palace, pine. Do those words rhyme with mail and tail? No. Pillow, clothes, tank, hose. Do any of those words rhyme with mail and tail? No. Amazing, broom, room. Do any of those rhyme with the words mail and tail? No. Therefore, I then continue with the next letter in the alphabet, which would be the letter C. So closet gets the letter C because it does not rhyme with essay, mail, and tail. Even though I have a B here, I had the first B here, and then the next letter in the alphabet should follow. And then tail rhymed with mail, so it got the letter B. So do not be confused by that. If I was looking at essay, mail, and closet, it would go A, B, C. And then I look for the next word and I see tail rhymes with mail, and it would also get the letter B. So you can do rhyme scheme in different ways. This is just my method that I use. So next I look for closet and I see if posters, floor, fainted, door, do any of those words rhyme with closet? No. Hymn, shine, palace, pine, do any of those rhyme with closet? No. Pillow, clothes, tank, hose, do any of those rhyme with closet? No. Amazing broom, room, do any of those rhyme with closet? No. So now I move on to the next letter because I have a new word, posters, so it's going to receive the letter D because that's the next letter in the alphabet. And so posters, floor, fainted, door. Does posters rhyme with any of those words? No. Let me scroll down. Does hymn, shine, palace, pine rhyme with posters? No. Does pillow, clothes, tank, and hose rhyme with posters? No. Does amazing broom and room rhyme with posters? No. So then we move on to the next line. Now we have the word floor. So right now our rhyme scheme, end rhyme scheme is A, B, C, B, D. So it gets a new letter, E. So that's the next letter in the alphabet, is the letter E. So do any words rhyme with floor? Floor, fainted, door. Okay, door does rhyme with the letter E, or the word floor, and so it's going to receive the letter E because floor and door rhyme. Now, I want to see if any other stanzas in the poem also rhyme with floor and door. Hymn, shine, palace, pine. Floor, door, no. Pillow, clothes, tank, hose. Floor, door, no. Amazing broom, essay, room, door, and floor, no. So now we go to the word fainted. So I'm going to write an arrow over here because I've written my letters a little bit too big. It's going to get the next letter in the alphabet after the letter E. So that letter is F. A, B, C, D, E, F. And so fainted is going to get the letter F. Now, do I have any words that rhyme with the word fainted? Hymn, shine, palace, pine? Nope. Pillows, clothes, tank, hose? Nope. Amazing broom, essay, room? Nope. So the letter F is all by itself. So now I go to the next stanza. So I'm at A, B, C, B, D, E, F, E. So what comes after the letter F? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So now I'm going to write the letter G for hymn. So do any words rhyme with hymn? Shine, palace, pine. Nope. Pillow, clothes, tank, hose with hymn? Nope. Amazing broom, essay, room? Nope. So it gets the letter G all by itself. So after G, what letter comes after G? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So H comes after the letter G. So now shine gets the letter H. Does anything rhyme with shine? So shine and palace do not rhyme, but shine and pine rhyme. So I'm going to put the letter H here. And I'm going to check to see, do any other lines get the letter H? Pine, shine, pillows, clothes, tank, hose? Nope. Pine, shine, amazing broom, essay, room? Nope. So, and you could still go back up. I guess I could go the other way too. Shine, pine, door, fainted, floor, posters? Nope. Tail, closet, mail, essay? Nope. So those are all by themselves. And now I've got palace also by itself. So shine and pine rhyme, but what comes after the letter H? So the next letter is I. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. H, I. So I, do any words rhyme with palace? Pillows, clothes, tank, hose, amazing broom, essay, room, palace? No. Posters, floor, fainted, door, essay, mail, closet, tail? Nope. So none of those rhyme with palace. So I'm going to keep my I. So now I'm on to pillow. So what comes after the letter I? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So now pillow gets the letter J. So pillow, J, and then we check to see pillow, clothes, tank, hose, amazing broom, essay, room. Do any of those words rhyme with pillow? Pine, palace, shine, hymn, floor, fainted, door, posters, essay, mail, closet, tail. Nope. Pillow gets its own letter with the letter J. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So clothes gets a new letter, and it will be the letter K. So K, does clothes and tank rhyme? Nope, but clothes and hose rhyme, and so it's also going to get the letter K. And then we've got amazing broom, essay, room, clothes and hose? Nope. Pine, palace, hymn, shine? Nope. door, floor, fainted, posters, nope. Essay, mail, closet, tail, nope. So clothes and hose gets its own letters, K. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. And then tank gets its own letter, and its own letter is the letter L, because that comes after K. So then we move on. So then we've got amazing. Amazing is on its own. I don't see any words that are underlined that rhyme with amazing. So essay, mail, closet, tail, posters, floor, fainted, door, hymn, shine, palace, pine, pillows, clothes, tank, hose, amazing, no. Broom, essay, room, no. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So amazing gets its own letter, and the letter is M. Next up, we have broom. So broom gets its own letter. What comes after the letter M? We have the letter N. And so broom has its own letter N. And essay, did broom and essay rhyme? Nope. Does broom rhyme with amazing, hose, tank, clothes, pillows, pine, shine, palace, hymn, door, floor, fainted, posters, tail, closet, mail, essay? Nope, it gets its own letter. And so we end with room, and room rhymes with broom, so room also gets the letter N. And so we have an amazing end rhyme scheme. I love this poem to teach rhyme scheme for my Write Writers because it is a long poem. It has several stanzas. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stanzas in this poem. And so we can see how distinct and unique the end rhyme scheme is for this poem. The rhyme scheme is A, B, C, B, D, E, F, E, G, H, I, H, J, K, L, K, M, N, A, N. And that is the rhyme scheme for this entire poem. Now, if we were just looking at the stanzas, so stanza 1 would have the rhyme scheme of A, B, C, B. Stanza 2 has the rhyme scheme of D, E, F, E. Stanza 3, G, H, I, H. Stanza 4, J, K, L, K. Stanza 5, M, N, A, N. I hope, Write Writers, that you feel more comfortable with end rhyme scheme and you understand how it works, and that my efforts at using a longer poem helps you when you think about end rhyme scheme. Thank you so much to Darren Sardelli's poem, My Doggy Ate My Essay. Thank you again so much. Love you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.